Yes, can I help you?
My name is Herminio Harry L. Roque Jr. I'm a member of the List Council of this court. I'm here to confer with my client, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He does not know that I have arrived at The Hague. He has to be informed. I'm also here in the presence of the daughter of the... For a moment. The Vice President, Sara Duterte, is going to meet for the first time her father. She has not had the occasion, and neither have I, had the occasion to meet with the President. Only Executive Secretary Medaldea, who accompanied him on the plane here, has had the opportunity to meet him this morning for less than an hour. I'm a bit disappointed at the practices of the ICC that has delayed the visit of a family member to an accused. We look up to the ICC as a model for international justice, and the fact that it has taken 2 days for a family member to see the accused, I think does not speak well of the practices of the court. We condemn it. Secondly, we are very much disappointed that the court did not address the issue of kidnapping as a means to divest the court of jurisdiction. We think that the ICC should again set an example in promoting international justice, and when kidnapping is allowed as a means of acquiring jurisdiction over the jurisdiction of the accused, we think this too is a travesty of justice. You cannot correct a wrong by committing another wrong. I think it is high time that the court clarify its position on this matter. It is unacceptable that we accept accept jurisdiction acquired through kidnapping, especially when the kidnapping took place in the context of the Philippines, where the court is now being used as a tool of oppression by the Marcos government. But I reiterate, this is unheard of, even in a country like the Philippines, where family members, a daughter no less, was not allowed access to her father. This is a very sad day for international justice. Very sad day indeed.
You are a previous member of the Council of the ICC before, right? Okay.
Sir, pwede po bang makakasuhan yung nag-violate ng Rule 59 ng...
Gusto ko muna maiuwi ang presidente.
Yan! Malaki ba? Sir, malaki po ba ang chance na makauwi siya ng Pinas? Yes! Jesus name.
Hingi kami na mas maagang
date
para sa issue ng jurisdiction.
Attorney, what if
wala. Attorney, kung may uwi siya sa Pinas, ano pong mangyayari sa kanya? I-detain po ba siya sa Pinas?
Plano namin uwi siya at wala na siyang kaso.
Yes. That's what we are looking.
ang dami na po naglabasan dun sa atin sa kalsada? Anong masasabi niyo sa kanila?
Ay, pagpatuloy nila. May pagpatuloy.
Go!
Karapatan niyo yan!
Sir, I came from Davao. Ngayon, may mga pulis na nakasurrounded doon sa bahay ng mayor namin. So, anong say mo doon, sir?
Hindi pa ba sapat ang ginawa nila? Kinidnap nila yung tao at pinakulong dito sa Hague?
Yeah.
Ano gusto nilang gawin?
Si Diwata!
Gusto pa ba nila na pulbusin talaga ang lahat ng Duterte?